Bliggity. Hold up. Wagwan vlog. Just come back off our road, Gene. Me go buy a patty. A chicken cheese patty and a cocoa bread. Now there's this thing that Emma have at the little patty place when I go buy a patty. When they always want to try. It is called a sao bao. In a layman's terms, bread and pork. But the Chinese people, them steam the dough and them stuff the inside of it with pork or chicken. Buy a pork one. But they always want to try. So, for the first time, ladies and gentlemen, you have Kevin Too Crazy right here. He's about to try the sao bao. It's still in my bag. As me come off the road, I just set up the camera and say, alright. Here we go. Where them keep it, hold on, I'm put on the patty and the cocoa. Alright, one more second, because you don't say, you have to get jinx now. Jinx have to get, no, not you. Alright, hold on. Hold on, let me get a little plate so we can see what I'm going. That's a big old plate for a little sao bao, you know? That's a sao bao. It's a sao bao bao bao. Sao bao 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 bao. Sao bao.
Yeah, you see what's going on?
I saw the Chinese people them say it, you see me? Them sing it and say sao bao bao. They have like what do they call this again? Grease paper. So you know stick to the machine that they keep it steaming in. Okay. Alright. Woo. Hold on. It's kind of sweet, the bun. That little piece of them just bite it. It's sweet. This is going in the right direction. This is going in the right direction. As you can see, if you look on the base side, no bottom right here. If you look on the base, you can see them fold it and then them do that little thing what them do. I saw Chinese people make dumpling, you know. If the camera would have just stop the foolishness. So them go and squinch it up. Hold on, I wash my hand then. I never wash my hand. Proper hygiene is important. I remember I say corona and everything. Yeah, go on. You know, see, I waste a plate though, but here goes. For the first time, I think I'm going to make this into a little thing enough. And I think I did have the idea a long time for just try some new foods for the first time, put it on the vlog channel. And I love to see them type of content here. So if you like to see this type of thing, hit the like button and the share button. Yeah, definitely. So it's my program myself. Alright, here we go, because it'll get cool. It's a sao bao bao bao. Sao bao 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 bao. Sao bao bao. Oh yeah. I don't know that I read something maybe. I don't know what it is, but may I think to myself, maybe they use food dye so that they can identify the pork one different from the chicken. That my theory still. Next time I buy a chicken one and see if it's something different. But in terms of the taste, it's nice. It is delicious. I'm telling you one little secret. I love Chinese people food. I love how they cook, how they prepare things. You see them type of thing, yeah? Them little bun, the way how them cook rice, sweet and sour chicken. Oh God, I like it. I don't listen. I don't care if a donkey meat. I do not care. The way how them prepare it, me will slap it away. See? Me will slap it away. Sao bao 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 bao. Sao bao. But yeah, this, I'm taking it. Oh God. It's delicious. It almost as red as the drink. It's almost as red as the drink. Hold up, man. And it's so soft. I don't even can like on a look. Look, the bun is. Look, hey, wait, I wrong sit me and touch me, I idiot. Bun soft, man. A SMR. Them could have fully it up with a little more pork still, you see me? Me is not the biggest pork fan, but if I put pork in or something like this, me way, slappy way. I eat derivatives of the swine, you know, the ham, the bacon, them thing there, but straight pork, you have to do something special to it. I mean, me like wagwan, that's why it. Bow, 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 bow. It tastes good. Bust it up, me, and she said them kind of. Basically some little. If you don't see it, some little cubes of pork them put in there. It's bad, man. Oh! Yo! I like it. It was a good choice. And for the fact that I choose a pork one, hey! You know, when your pants, like hold one little piece of hair and tug it, that just go on. But me I say, for the fact that me choose a pork one, and I'm not the biggest pork fan, and me I say it tastes good, you know if you know. It name Sow Bow. Sow Bow. 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 I don't want it on it bad. Next time I'm gonna try the chicken one. Is it? I think there's also a callaloo one and a shrimp one if I'm not mistaken. So who knows? We might try the three of them the next time. 260 Jamaican dollar. I guess you can say that is money well spent. And you're dry. So it's like me not even really need the juice or the drink. But I'm gonna drink the drink same way. You don't know the thing go. You gotta drink the drink. When I see the little red dot on the top of it, I thought it was just something to mark it so you know them different. Because you know when you go buy patty, they mark the patties different. So you can know which is a cheese, which is a chicken, or a shrimp. So I thought that was what the little red dye was for. Maybe that's still the purpose of the little red dye, but them put it in it. Because it's not really, no harm, no foul. A food dye. So what did I expect for going there to see was like some brown stew pork. But it's sweet. That's what I was expecting. But, you know, it was red. But in I see them way. That is it for this episode of Kevin Tries for the First Time. And that never start calling. Alright. But suppose I want to take it all out into the streets. For now, Kevin Tries for the First Time. Hit the like button. Drop some comments below of foods you would like to see me try for the first time. And I could get the content rolling for the vlog channel, you know. I don't complain all the while so I not put out enough. Well, not really all the while, but I know so I must feel some type of way so I not put out a whole heap of content for the vlog channel. But see me find something I have to do, so comment below food, like actual food, where I can get my hands on in a Jamaica, what would I love to see me try for the first time. Like the sourboard, never eat it yet. If you just comment on food when I eat already, then obviously it won't be for the first time, you know. That would be for Kevin Tries food on camera. For the first time, so you can get like a genuine reaction if it tastes like foolishness or if it tastes like greatness. You see me big up on yourself, vlog channel. We all talking about, like I mash up my chicken cheese patty and the cocoa bread now. You see me? This is how bow bow bow. How bow 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 bow. How bow bow.